So I've been thinking about ground floor opportunities and what would it be like, a couple years from now, 5 years from now, if I was involved with a ground floor opportunity and was, involved with it enough that as it grew, I profited. And just like anything, there's risk. And I don't know about you, but I don't have thousands and thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars easily accessible to just invest in a high-risk venture. But there's plenty of opportunities out here that are low cost and low risk, and I like that. And that's what I found. I found a low cost, low risk, even with a guarantee built in, so that I don't have to keep paying for it. Once I've done the initial investment, I can just wait as it grows. It's kind of like buying stock, right? Some people like to buy and sell real quick. They do option trading or splits, that kind of stuff. But as far as just holding stock, for the dividends, that's a residual passive income flow. And I think that this opportunity is, got potential to be much better than that. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about a platform that generates leads, and the funnels are already done, and the advertising is done for you. Basically all you have to do is share about your affiliate, being an affiliate with this program. Share a link and maybe talk about it a little bit. But you don't even have to do that, really. The system is designed to generate the leads and the follow-up without you having to do anything. It's designed to do 95% of the work. Like a friend of mine who's helped get me into this opportunity, he's promoting the opportunity organically through all of the following that he has on his channel, and he's built up quite a following. Me, I have 7 subscribers. And I'm not sure how to grow that, except to just keep producing some videos and trying to find a way to provide some type of value or entertainment, at least, so that people want to continue watching. I would really enjoy having people interact with the channel. There are so few people doing that. I can respond to everybody. One of the things that I've been thinking about, what I'd like to do, is have people comment about what their channel is about and put a link to their channel. I'd like to check it out. Share about different ideas that you're into. Hopefully you'll want to check this opportunity out. And like I said, there's a lot of people out there that are involved in opportunities that need leads. They need lead generation. I've been a part of that, where I would actually go out and buy leads, and they get quite expensive, and I've probably spent thousands of dollars on leads. That the problem is, for most people too, is that those leads get lost, and then they become a waste because people get tired of trying to contact them and trying to follow up with them, and then they get shelved, and then they're not really a good lead, and then they may not have been a good lead in the first place. I don't know how many times that I've tried to call some of those leads, and I've tried 2 or 3 times, couldn't get through, sent them a text and they didn't respond, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I quit trying to follow up with them. Well, this system is designed so that the follow-up will continue relentlessly until the person either responds or responds in a way that says, I'm opting out. I don't want any more. But this is something that's done by AI, so you don't even have to take the heat for it. So it's kind of cool. If you're like building a channel to try to get enough subscribers and followers so that you can get monetized, that could take some time. I mean, I know I've seen some videos out there that said, I monetized my channel in 7 days. And I'm like, wow, that's awesome. How the heck did you do that? Now, I've also come across some other YouTube channels and creators who have some really good ideas for how to make your channel better, how to do videos better. Not like this though. And I think part of that comes with really scripting and really taking some thought into what kind of message do you want to provide for people. I mean, I'm just kind of talking off the cuff right now, and I don't even know, it probably sounds horrible. I am really struggling to keep my commitment and to be consistent. My commitment to myself was to do an 8-minute video a day, and I am just really struggling to be consistent with that, and finding all kinds of excuses and reasons why I can't, or why I don't have enough time, or I can't come up with anything that's worth sharing about. Nobody's going to listen. I mean, I look at the analytics, and a lot of times it's like somebody looks at one of my videos and it's like they turn it off after like 2 minutes or something, sometimes less. And I'm like, well, I definitely need to get better. Oh my God, I really need to get better. And I will. One of the things that I would like to do is to connect with some people who are of like mind, looking, get into a ground floor opportunity and see where it takes them and see what they can do with it, and you can check it out for free even. I mean, you can, and that's fine. I mean, it's got a built-in system so that you could organically bring your own leads into it, and Sparky will follow up with them. You could end up earning some money that way, just by sharing the link on your channel, talking about it a little bit. So I think that's about all I've got for now. I'm trying to get home. There's burgers and fries waiting for me. I am tired, and I probably need to do a lot of editing on this video. I'll get there. All right, check you on the next video.